Okay, so now we actually have our animation finished. When we play this, you should see some kind of twinkling happening on your screen. What we want to do is we want to actually create a recording of our voice now. So there's a way that we can actually set up a computer program that will say when you click a button on your keyboard, it plays a recorded song from you. And as long as your computer has a microphone attached to it, and most Chromebooks have one built into them, we can record our own voice and store it onto this program. The way that we'll do that is we'll need to make sure that we're starting with an event. So clicking on the top corner over here with the events, we're going to find this when up arrow pressed button. And what that basically says is when you press the up arrow on a keyboard, something will happen. Well, we're going to start off by saying we don't want to use the up arrow. We're actually going to select by clicking on the box where it says up arrow, you get a choice of all the different letters on the keyboard and the numbers and so on. We're going to use a number or a letter that doesn't show up as often, so we're not always hitting the button and making it accidentally trigger the sound. So what we'll do is we'll click the letter B. So when the letter B is pressed, we're going to be able to play our recording. The next step is to actually go into sounds so we can actually find a recording or make a recording. So I'm going into play a sound. And what that will do is when I click the letter B on my keyboard, when I click the letter B, it will play a sound. So you'll see I already have a bunch of different recordings already set up, and that happens as you use your computer a lot more often. But I'm going to add a new sound. And there's a library that already has new sounds. We're not going to use those. We're actually going to click on our little microphone icon, and that will allow us to record a sound. So we're going to record. You can see that my computer microphone is already recognizing me talk. So let me just record a quick sample. So this is where you would sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Stop. You'll see that it's recording it. And if I just hit OK, the last recording is the most recent one. So this was recording number 5. Now when I run my program, this is my first part of the program that'll say, hey, when you hit the button B on your keyboard, it should play a song. So let's play it and find out if it actually does that. So this is where you would sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star.